Hi there and welcome back. This time we are working underground, more or less. Let's get started. As the folk saying goes, where there's a shower, there's a drain. Or so. And our shower will be here. So the main sewer runs underneath the concrete from the toilet to the shower and continues to the sewage system. But wait. When this is the contour of the shower tray, then the drain is outside of it. Let's fix this. The shower drain is from the old brick tray that we demolished a month ago. It's the wrong drain in the wrong position. As well, there is still too much mortar left. Let's remove it. The plan is to cut this old waste pipe as low as possible and at this elbow to install a new drain pipe underneath the floor. But this project has to wait a bit, as this gentleman next door is preparing everything for plastering. As we did in our first house, we'll spackle just the screw holes and the joints 3 times and paint everything in the end. So we won't plaster the entire walls. This saves a lot of time and the result looks the same in the end. Because this spackle contains fibers, we do not have to add a paper strip to the joints. Just in case you're wondering. And because this room is too small for two spacious personalities, I decided to go shopping. This will be the new shower tray. 116 euros is okay, but 60 bucks for the tray carrier? And it's just styrofoam. Even the plastic shower trap costs 50 euros. That's ridiculous. So, 230 euros later, I seized Laszlo's brake for a dry fitting. Looks perfect. Of course, it is quite big for this small bathroom, but there is still enough space to maneuver around. As soon as it is installed, I'll start tiling. After some drying time, Laszlo sends the first coat to prepare it for the second one. Sorry for these black bars, it's because my camera doesn't like the LED floodlight. The spackle you use gets thinner from coat to coat to receive a smooth finish. So, the second coat is on. Tomorrow Laszlo will add the third one off camera. And finally, next weekend I'll enter the stage back again with my new lovely shower. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy.